about time you earned your keep. Come on. I can only see a silhouette. Your backlit. Come on. Harrison. Come here. Get these numbers. Harrison. Harrison. Okay, will you? I'll leave you alone. I'll stop bugging you. You. Mouse, you want another one? Just a minute. Just a minute. 1, 2, 3. Good girl. Would you pick any tickets? Would you pick a ticket? What is that? Oh! You stole the whole thing. Now I've got to pick them all up. Oh, you silly girl. What did you do? What did you do? I got to get them now. Why don't you go get one? What fun stuff. What fun stuff. Get it. Get it. Will you do it? Okay. Look there. You want one of those? Oh, yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Go ahead. Oh, good job. Good job. All right. Now I got to bribe you to get it back again. Good job. Oh, no, you're checking it. Okay. You want a mealworm? I'll trade you a mealworm for it.
Is it?
Another one? Here.
I'm going to be so upset.
Okay. Let's see. It is number... Dun, 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 dun. Number 24. Number 24.